Hello and welcome. My name is Paul and this is Missy, and together our channel is Posture Pilates. So today I'll guide you through the front rowing on the Reformer. As always, I will offer you a beginner, an intermediate, followed by an advanced level. Please note, these videos are a guide. You may have learnt these exercises with a slightly different modification, variation, or breathing. My specific version has been developed over time from teaching different abilities, body shapes, and ages. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It's free of charge, it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us to grow the channel and create more content such as this. Also, if you have any exercises you would like me to cover, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
The beginner level features arms straight forward, hug or second position, and offering levels 1 and 2. Start sitting against the shoulder rests, legs crossed, arms straight with your palms facing forward. The elbows are soft. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, keeping the scapula stable, press the hands forward and up, moving the carriage out. Inhale, return arms to the start position, controlling the return of the carriage. Exhale, reach the arms forward. Inhale, resist the arms down. Raise the hands to your eye line without over-recruiting the pecs and protracting the shoulder blades. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions before moving on to hug or second position. Float the arms out to the side in line with the shoulders. The elbows are slightly flexed with the palms facing out and fingers fully extended. Exhale, press the hands forward and together, moving the carriage out. Aim to bring the fingers together, creating a circle with the arms. Inhale, return arms to start position, controlling the return of the carriage. Exhale, press the arms forward. Inhale, return to start position. Watch the elbows don't go behind the alignment of the shoulder, overstretching the pec muscles. Perform 6 to 8 repetitions before lowering the arms in preparation for offering. The elbows are flexed and slightly behind the body, with the hands slightly higher than the elbows, palms facing up with wrists and fingers fully extended. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, extend the elbows, reaching the arms forward at shoulder height. Inhale, keeping the arms straight, open them out to the side, horizontal abduction, bringing the hands either in line or just behind the shoulder joint. Exhale, keeping arms straight with palms facing forward, press the hands forward back to shoulder level. Inhale, flex the elbows and return the arms to the start position. Exhale, extend. Inhale, open. Exhale, reach forward. Inhale, flex the elbows. Avoid rocking, leaning forwards or backwards on the sit bones. Level 2, we add pronation, palms facing down, and supination, palms facing up. Start with palms facing up, supinated. Exhale, extend the arms forward, turning the palms down. Inhale, open the arms out to the side, turning the palms up. Exhale, draw the arms forward, turning the palms down. Inhale, flex the elbow, turning the palms up. Let's repeat this version with the palms facing down, pronated. Exhale, extend the arms forward, turning the palms up. Inhale, open the arms to the side, turning the palms down. Exhale, draw the arms forward, turning the palms up. Inhale, flex the elbow, turning the palms down. Moving to the intermediate level, which consists of arm circles and round forward with arm circles. Please note, shaving is also included in the front rowing series. However, I will demonstrate this in a future video. Start sitting upright with the pelvis and spine in neutral. The legs are adducted, and here I'm choosing to have a soft, gentle bent knee, but you could have the legs completely straight. The elbows are flexed with forearms parallel to the floor and palms facing each other. Keeping the torso stable, inhale and press the hands forward and up to eye level, extending the elbows and moving the carriage out. Exhale, lower the arms down, tapping the fingertips onto the bed. Keeping the scapula stabilized, inhale and raise the arms overhead with the palms facing forward. Exhale and circle the arms out to the side before finally flexing the elbows and returning the arms and carriage back to the start position. Inhale, reach the hands forward. Exhale, tap the fingertips down. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, circle round and flex. Perform 3 to 4 repetitions, and on the final circle, flex the torso forward in preparation for round forward with arm circles. Inhale and press the hands forward at shoulder level, extending the elbows and moving the carriage out. The palms are facing down. Exhale and sequentially lengthen the spine up from tail to head. Continue to reach the hands forward at shoulder level. Keeping the scapula stabilized, inhale and raise the arms overhead with palms facing forward. Exhale, circle the arms out to the side and flex the spine forward over the legs with flexed elbows. Inhale, reach the arms forward. Exhale, roll up the spine. Inhale, float the arms overhead. Exhale, circle round before flexing the torso forward. Avoid raising the shoulders as the arms come overhead. In the advanced level, we perform the same 2 exercises, arm circles and round forward with arm circles with small minor changes. Inhale, extend the arms. Exhale, lower the arms down and medially rotate the shoulder joint so the palms face outwards without protracting the scapula. Inhale, raise the arms overhead with palms out. Exhale, circle the arms before flexing the elbows. As you lower the arms, watch the hands don't travel behind you, moving the shoulder into extension. On the final arm circle, flex the torso forward in preparation for round forward with arm circles. Inhale, reach the fingertips forward. Exhale, and as you sequentially roll up the spine, maintain the arms in line with the head. Inhale, circle the arms halfway down to shoulder height. Exhale, circle the arms all the way down before flexing the torso and bending the elbows. Inhale, reach the arms forward. Exhale, roll all the way up the spine. Inhale, circle the arms halfway down. Exhale, flex the elbows to finish.
If you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the bell to be notified of future video releases.